Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using the Publication Finder tool. In this tutorial, we will walk through how to access the Publication Finder tool from the Shapiro Library homepage. We'll demonstrate how to use this tool to find a specific publication, and we'll discuss when it's best to use this tool. Let's get started. The Publication Finder is a tool available on Shapiro Library's website that allows users to see if the library has access to a journal, and if so, how much access we have to it. For example, issues from 10 years ago to today, or issues from 1980 to today. This tool also shows where users can access the journal. Journals are often housed in specific databases. You can access the Publication Finder tool from the Shapiro Library homepage. Select Find Resources from the navigation bar at the top of the page, then select Newspapers, Magazines, and Journal Articles (Publication Finder) from the drop-down menu. Once you are on the Publication Finder homepage, you can search for an individual journal by title or ISSN number. You can do this by clicking on all fields from the search bar at the top of the page and selecting Title or ISSN from the drop-down menu. I will conduct a search for the publication The New York Times. I'll select Title from the All Fields drop-down menu, then type New York Times into the search bar. This takes me to a list of publications whose titles include New York Times that I can access through various databases. On the Publication Finder homepage, you can also browse publications by subject or by which database houses the publication. One important note: the Publication Finder does not allow you to search within multiple journals at once, like a database does. Instead, this tool enables you to search for, access, and use individual journals like the New York Times or the Harvard Business Review. The library recommends using the Publication Finder when you have a specific journal in mind that you'd like to use, when you want to know if we have access to a specific journal, when you want to know if there are multiple access points for a journal, and when you want to browse all the journals we have on a particular subject. If you have any questions about library resources, feel free to reach out to our library team via chat on the Shapiro Library homepage or by email at ask@snhu.libanswers.com. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck with your research!